What if one AI-generated video could put you in the running for a share of a $300,000 prize pool? No professional film crew, no expensive camera equipment, just one creative idea and the right AI tool. That opportunity is available right now through AKOOL Creator Clash. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how this competition works, how to create your own video using Seedance 2.0, and how to submit your entry step by step. And before the end of this video, I'll also show you a real example of a video created inside AKOOL so you can see what's actually possible. Let's get started. Once you sign into your AKOOL account, the first thing you'll notice is the Creator Clash banner right here on the dashboard. This is the official challenge page where you'll find everything you need to participate. You'll also see featured AI models and tools like Seedance 2.5, Seedance 2.0, Minimax H3, and other creative features available inside AKOOL. But for this competition, our main focus is Seedance 2.0, because that's the model used to create your competition entry. So let's open the Creator Clash page and see exactly how everything works. This page explains the entire competition, including the prize pool, submission process, and participation requirements. The best part is that the process is actually very simple. Instead of making you go through dozens of complicated rules, AKOOL has organized everything into 5 clear steps that anyone can follow. Whether you're an experienced creator or someone who's just getting started with AI, the workflow is easy to understand. Let's go through each step together so you know exactly what you need to do before submitting your entry. The first step is creating your video using Seedance 2.0. This is the core requirement of the competition because your submission must be created with this model. The great thing is that you're not limited to one specific style. You can create a cinematic short film, a creative advertisement, a funny video, a technology showcase, a product commercial, or even something completely unique. As long as your creativity shines and the video is created using Seedance 2.0, you're ready to move on to the next step. Before publishing your video, make sure the AKOOL logo is visible somewhere in the final edit. It doesn't need to take over the screen, but it should be clearly included as part of your video. This is one of the official submission requirements, so it's a good idea to check it before uploading your content. Once your video is complete, it's time to publish it. You can upload your entry to YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, whichever platform you prefer. When you publish your video, make sure to tag AKOOL. After your video is live, simply copy the public link to your post. You'll need this link in the final submission form, so keep it ready before moving to the last step. This link allows the AKOOL team to review your entry and verify that it meets the competition requirements. Now let's officially enter the competition. Click on Enter to Win, and then select Submit Your Entry. This will open the official submission form, where you'll provide your details and submit your video. The submission form is very straightforward. Start by entering your first name and last name. Next, enter your personal email address. After that, enter the email address connected to your AKOOL account. Make sure both email addresses are correct, because this is how AKOOL can contact you if needed. Now take the video link you copied earlier and paste it into the submission field. Before submitting, take a few seconds to review everything one last time. It's always better to double-check your information than to discover a mistake later. Once everything looks correct, simply click the Enter to Win button. That's it! Your entry has now been submitted successfully, and you're officially part of the AKOOL Creator Clash competition. If you'd like to participate in the Creator Clash, I've added my referral link in the description below. You can use it to create your AKOOL account, explore the available AI tools, and start working on your own competition entry. Competitions like this are a great opportunity to challenge yourself, learn new creative skills, and showcase your ideas to a much larger audience. Whether you win or not, you'll still gain experience creating with AI, and that's a valuable skill that's becoming more important every day. So if you've been waiting for the right time to start creating with AI, this could be the perfect opportunity. I hope this video helped you understand how the AKOOL Creator Clash works and how you can submit your own entry.